Hi there, good day to you. I welcome you to another educative session of user interface design with Figma. Okay, today we'll be working on horizontal and vertical scroll, and as you know, vertical and horizontal scrolls are very important features in user interface designs that helps you scroll through elements that are way larger or perhaps longer than the intended screen you're using it for. If you can see, this is a screen for a mobile screen, but it's quite longer than a mobile screen if you can see well. So what we intend doing right now, I want to change the frame back to an iPhone 14 Pro screen, and as you can see, there's some contents spilled all over it. Now what can make you scroll through this content is through using the horizontal for the horizontal bar there and the vertical scroll. Please, while we proceed, do not forget to subscribe to this video to get more amazing content. Thank you. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take enclose everything in the frame. That is a frame selection. Everything is enclosed in a frame, which is quite needed. Then I fit the frame directly where the screen ends. Okay, so you see what I just did there, and same thing applies to here. I fix it the top bar over there. Okay, so now you can see I've clipped the content. So clipping content really hides the spilled over element. Now this, I'm also going to include a frame selection. Okay, so I right click and frame selection. Now I drag the frame selection to where the screen ends over there. So that is what I'm going to do right there, and I enlarge it. Good. I zoom it out. Once I zoom it out and I clip content. So now these things, the elements that are spilled over, are quite hidden, but we still need to put an horizontal and a vertical scroll to help us get access to the remaining spilled contents. So if we are to okay, so now if I decide to run the prototype for this now, you see I can't get access to the spilled contents. There's still some things, there's still some elements hidden beneath, but I really cannot get access to it. So which is currently what I am trying to do right now. So I go back. Once I go back, I go to prototype is the best place to go to, and I maintain this at scroll with parent, and I put this at horizontal layout. Once I put that at horizontal layout, what I'll now do is I'll run the here right now I make the color the same thing with the background that it's on. That's the frame selection color right now. The frame color, I make it the same. And if you see when I run the prototype, you can see everything is now scrollable. I can get access to what is actually spilled out of the screen. Okay, so that's how you do it, but I still cannot get access to the bottom content here. You can see because I haven't added the vertical scroll for that yet. So since I already included the frame selection here, I go straight to prototype and I leave it at this option, and I change this to vertical. So once I change it to vertical, I do the same thing here. I run the prototype. Okay, so now let's look. You can see right now it is currently scrolling fine. It's currently scrolling fine. So this is basically how the vertical and horizontal scroll actually works, either if you're using a website interface or mobile phone interface. Okay, so this is how it basically works, perfectly smoothly scrolling. I would advise you also try this on your own to make sure everything works out fine. In case you want to get more amazing educative content and the user interface design world, just subscribe to our channel and just keep visiting often, and you get so many beautiful tutorials that we have in stock for you. Bye for now.